2021 Nissan Maxima. This is the first battery it came with. This is the battery we're installing. It's a H5 ELG. To get the battery out, all you need is a 10mm. I'm using a 10mm ratcheting wrench. You'll need to remove this nut here, and this bolt here. I already got the new one in, so I'm just tightening all these up. And then you'll have a 10mm nut there and a 10mm nut there. You'll loosen these up and take these cables off and clean inside of them with a steel brush or a knife. And then make sure you spray some battery. It's kind of like a dielectric grease for a good connection. This whole metal bracket here will come off completely, and these metal bolts will just stay up on their own. Make sure to put the new battery back in this case and make sure it's seated down like it should be, and then you're good to go. This is all there is to it.